DIY Cat Repellent Spray. Keep cats away naturally.
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to create a simple, effective, and totally natural DIY cat repellent spray. It's safe for both your indoor plants and outdoor garden, and most importantly, it's not harmful to your beloved feline friends, but it will help to keep them away from areas you'd prefer they avoid.
Why make a homemade cat repellent?
Many of us are cat lovers, but there are places where we just don't want our furry friends to venture. Whether it's your garden bed, certain indoor plants, or valuable furniture, there's a solution that doesn't involve chemicals or harm to your pets. A homemade cat repellent spray is cost-effective, easy to make, and allows you to control exactly what goes into it.
What will you need?
For our cat repellent spray, we'll be using a few ingredients you may already have in your home. The key here is to use scents that cats find unpleasant, but that aren't harmful to them or to us. Materials required: an empty spray bottle, water, essential oils, citrus-based like lemon or orange, or strong-smelling like eucalyptus or lavender, dish soap.
How do you make the spray?
Now, let's get to the main process: how to make this cat repellent spray. 1. First, fill your spray bottle almost to the top with water. Leave some room for the other ingredients. 2. Next, add a few drops of your chosen essential oil. Cats are generally averse to citrus scents, so lemon or orange oils can be quite effective. Alternatively, you could use strong-smelling oils like eucalyptus or lavender. Start with about 10 drops and adjust to your needs. 3. Then, add a drop of dish soap. This helps to distribute the oil evenly throughout the water. 4. Finally, secure the top of your spray bottle and shake it well to combine the ingredients. And voila! You've made your own homemade cat repellent spray.
How and where to use your spray?
Spray your DIY cat repellent on areas where you'd like to deter cats from visiting. Be sure to do a small spot test first to ensure the spray doesn't harm or discolor your furniture or plants. Keep in mind, while this spray is a deterrent, it's not guaranteed to work with every cat, as their dislikes can be as unique as they are. You may need to experiment with different essential oils to find the one that works best for your situation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. This natural cat repellent spray is a fantastic way to gently encourage your cats to avoid certain areas, while also ensuring their safety. As cat owners, it's all about finding the balance between giving our pets the freedom they need and keeping certain areas off limits. Until next time, keep your cats happy and your plants safe.